everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and I'm back with another reading. Today, I wanted to give Archangel Michael's messages to you, whatever I can channel. It's been troubling me since morning that today is the day when Archangel Michael wants to reach out to people and wants to say something. So I'm going to show you the card. That's Archangel Michael, one of my favorite angels, and Archangel Michael is a very powerful angel, and it is mentioned in three major texts of the world's religions that place the most emphasis on religions. I'm going to read it out. It's the Torah, Judaism, Bible, Christianity, and Quran, Islam. And they consider Michael a leading angel. It is an angel that who fights evil with the power of good. And I want to say Michael is an exceptionally strong angel and actually protects people who love God. And whenever you want to call upon Archangel Michael, just in your mind, just say a prayer, whatever you think you want to say to Archangel Michael, and Archangel Michael will be there to help you. Archangel Michael is really concerned about truth and justice, and I want to say that he's there to help and guide people. And there are a lot of signs to recognize Archangel Michael's presence. It's like, there's a cobalt blue light that you will see, or a very dark blue light, when Archangel Michael is around you. Also, Archangel Michael is very good with, communicating with people, and a lot of people did report seeing a very royal blue light that's really bright. That's what they report, and you'll hear Archangel Michael's voice very loudly. Like a lot of times. I did hear when I was sleeping, and I wanted to call upon Archangel Michael, and I did hear a trumpet, and I also heard him saying, like I heard Michael, and I got the message that I wanted to receive, or if I wanted to if I wanted the guidance that day, I just wished, called upon Archangel Michael, and I did receive a very clear guidance on what to do. And it's a lot of people do have seen or have heard Archangel Michael, because, like I said, Archangel Michael is a very clear communicator, and you'll know it in your gut that Archangel Michael is around you. He's always there to reassure you that everything is fine. And what else should I say? I'm just reading what else information that I can give you guys. So yes, I'm going to give you the messages right now. That's what I'm here to deliver. And I really had this feeling of giving Archangel Michael's messages to you, and let's see what he wants me to say to you guys. And normally he has the sword and the shield. It is like protecting people all the time. So maybe there were messages to be delivered. So I'm going to start the reading, and let's see how many messages that I want to deliver to you guys. I'm not going to say 10, or I'm not going to give it a number, because I have a feeling that I'll know when I need to stop. A lot of times I've done a reading, and then I'm like, I have to give one more message. I have to give one. I cannot close the reading that time. Sundays become bright. Maybe that's the time I have to start the messages. For a seven number, if you're dealing with a seven number, or you are a seven number, or you married to a seven number, or your partner is a seven number, I want to talk to women, because I this is a man card, and I'm not going to say it's for either of you. It's not. It's for the women who are listening to this. The man you're dealing with, especially a seven number, I feel the guy has a money situation. There's a money problem. I also feel that the person is lying about his finances, is not really moneyed, or doesn't really have the bank balance, the account balance, as he is portraying that he has a lot of money in the bank. I also feel hiding something from you about his money situation is what I get. And I also feel if you're dealing with a man who is seven number, also will not part with his money, will not give you much money. I also feel if it's a boss you're dealing with, and the person is not going to give you a raise, is not giving you the money the person owes to you. I also get a loan situation. The person owes you money but is not giving it to you right now. I feel the person will give you the money back, especially if it's somebody who's holding on to your money. You lend the person you know uh, whatever the dollars or rupees or whatever pounds, whatever currency you are dealing with, the person will give you back your money, but will be in bits and like little small amounts. The huge amount, whatever you gave him, is, I'm sure, is huge for you. The amount will not come together. It will come, one day the person will return probably one like an installment, the next time a little bigger amount. So if you're thinking that the person is going to give your money back to you like a one full amount what the person took from you, I don't think that's going to happen. So that's the first message that I wanted to give. Eight number. So you have to call upon Archangel Michael, because Archangel Michael, I just showed you. I'm going to show you the card again if I can see it. Is an eight number, and I feel that you are indecisive about something. You are. It has come reversed, so you've not made that decision. I want to say it's come reversed in my hand. I don't want to say you made that decision. I want to say you are still thinking about it, and you will make the decision. You're thinking which way to go. There are two things in your consideration set. There are two ways that you can take, or life is throwing two jobs at you. So I think you're going to make the decision very soon. I get 8 days from now. I'm going to take 8 days from now. Okay, that's what I get. So if you've been worrying about which way to go, I think you will know, and you will be set on the right path, and you will also make a very clear decision. It's not that you were confused and you just picked up any of the paths that fancied you or something. But I think you're going to put a lot behind a lot of thinking behind that decision, and you're going to make a very good decision is what I get. And I think you need to call upon Archangel Michael. Probably that's why the card came and the number came. If you've been confused about something, just call upon him and he will help you out. Please meditate, say a prayer. You can find a prayer from the net, whatever, or just say, Archangel Michael, please help me out. Please put me on the right path. I'm confused right now. That's all you need to do, but do it with a lot of intention, with a lot of purity in your mind and in your heart. That's what I always say. Yeah, instability in life. I feel whatever's coming in is going out. This card came up in another reading, and that's about how I wanted to interpret it, and exactly how I want to interpret it right now. Cash coming in and flowing out. That's what I get. I think the cash, the financial stability, what you wanted in your life, you will achieve it after 4 months. I get after 5 months. I still get 4 or 5 months, though I get five more, five as a number more, and that's when you probably will be able to save money. But I think one of you, whoever's listening to this reading, you are thinking that probably if I am earning 100, I'm almost 150 is going out from my bank, or I've not been able to put anything into my wallet. I also get a feeling that a lot of you are eating into your savings. You save for a rainy day, for the rainy day, but you are eating into your savings, and you did break that fund and you're feeling bad about it. But I think you'll be stable in a few months. You don't have to worry about it. So that's the message I get from Archangel Michael. Yes, you'll be healed. Right now, you're not feeling very good. There's a lot of fire. I feel a lot of fire energy in you. I'm not going to say a fire sign. I still feel there's a lot of anger inside you for someone. I don't know why you're holding that anger. And I feel you're dealing with a six number, you're dealing with a nine number, dealing with a 12 number, you're dealing with 18 number. So those are the numbers that I just channeled and I got in my mind. There is some kind of something brewing up in your mind. There's a lot of aggression towards someone. I don't know why I want to say the word aggression. These are the feelings that you have towards a person. Um, or the person has really made you angry. I don't know why I get that. You did deal with someone, who also is very quick to anger, and so are you. You're very quick to anger. So there were clashes, and I feel there are going to be clashes. If there were clashes, I think you need to settle the situation your way. It's how you're going to settle it. The other person is not going to settle the situation, and the person is angry with you, and so are you angry with him. I don't know why I get that, but there's a lot of fight. I don't see a cold war. I also see exchange of words, every day. Not settling the situation is what I get. And I think this situation started last December, or this Jan. So last December, I'm going to say, before this COVID situation happened, it started before this. Yes, guys, you need to rest and rejuvenate. A lot of number 10s need to do it. If you're number 1, if you're number 11, and if you're number 10, you need to sit back, relax, rejuvenate, meditate, do yoga, whatever relaxes your mind. I also feel, a chest area, stomach area, you need healing. I feel with this card, the mind is better right now. Mind is more relaxed, but there is something, some kind of a burden that you carry in your heart. or something has been, some kind of a situation that did worry you, and I feel this area is extremely. I feel a lot of heaviness. I feel a lot of burden. I'm going to switch the cards. I was using the energy deck, but I want to use the earth deck also, the earth magic, and these oracle cards. I want to give a few messages from here too. For a few of you, a lot of fire, a lot of passion towards a person is what I get in the relationship. And I feel it's a fire sign dealing with the earth sign, it's a fire sign dealing with the air sign. So if it's a fire sign dealing with the air sign, a lot of passion, a lot of love in the situation, a lot of chemistry. Uh, Really, the person is like a magnet to you, or you are like a magnet to the person. So that's what I get. I also get, if you want to start a fresh idea, put all the passion you have for the idea or whatever you wanted to start, do it with a lot of passion. I don't know why I feel that you might lose steam in between and again, but I think it's going to reignite again, and you'll be back on the track if it's a new idea with the passion you already had for the idea. So that's another message I wanted to give you. Feeling heavy. I want to say with the whale card that you are feeling heavy, but you come out of, you've become victorious in the situation. The situation has been good for you. You come out of it. I don't know why I want to say coming out of something that was already, making you sink with it. A situation that was not doing any good to you. It could be a person also. So whatever acted like quicksand for you, the more you wanted to get out of the situation, the more it dragged you in. So this situation, you've come victorious out of it. I don't know. It's a victory card for me. It's like something weighing you down. I think a water sign was weighing you down. Or if you're a water sign, something was weighing you down. I get a lot of water here. So either you are a water sign or a water sign was making you feel like this. That was making you feel very heavy, was almost, not letting you swim up to the, surface. And so you've released yourself from this situation is what I get. That's a nice card. And if you haven't released yourself from the situation, please call upon Archangel Michael. Maybe he'll help you, to get out of the situation very fast. Not working well with someone, with your partner, with your boss, with your superiors. It's what I get. You guys need to work together. I feel there's a lack of communication, and you need to. And Archangel Michael will help you. Will probably guide you what words you need to say. How do you need to settle the situation? What is the best that you can do in a situation? I think this situation needs a lot of clearing. You have to clear the air with someone. And please do call upon Archangel Michael. He will help you clear the air. He's very good with communication, and you'll know exactly what words to say, and you will know when he's around you guys. Just call upon him. This card came again. Not working well with someone. I also get not working well with your partner. If you think somebody is going to change for you, the person will not change for you, is what I get, guys. Okay, that's an important message. I don't know how many of you are in this situation. This is a general reading, guys. So if you think the person is going to change for you, the person will not change. The person is stubborn. The person has his or her own beliefs. Very difficult to change the attitude of the person. If you've been trying to change somebody in your life, I think you need to give up. Don't do it. So that's a special message I want to say from Archangel Michael. This card is coming again the third time, even when I shuffled it so much. I think somebody's out of balance, really out of balance. It's a partnership that's out of balance. I don't know if it's to do with a business, but it's a partnership that's out of balance. It could be with the family, not working with the family, just left home. I feel that you've had a fight and you've left home also, and you've had a major fight. There is something not in harmony in your life. There is not a proper balance, guys. And I also feel a lack of communication with you guys. For some of you, few of you, one of you, the answer is release. If you were watching this reading or whatever I'm predicting, and in your mind, if you were like, should I release the person or not, please release the person. And I want to say, do it soon. Okay, I want to say the person's name is, I don't know, I get a big S. It's either the alphabet is S, it's either a Sagittarian, it's either a Scorpio. I get a lot of S. Probably your name starts with S or the person's name starts with S. Guys, please release the person. The person doesn't belong in your life. I get a very S energy again and again and again. Could be a Sagittarian, like I said. So or you met in a place where the name started with S. Not a social media, I don't want to say social media, but a very specific alphabet. This alphabet is troubling me, it's an S, and I'm very sure of it. And I feel you're going to do it soon. That's the message I get. Yes, you have to communicate. Communication is a big problem. Whoever's listening to this reading, you have to communicate with the person. There is a lack of communication, and if communication is closed, guys, everything is closed. You can't act like a wall. Either you feeling that you're talking to a wall, the other person is feeling that the person you become a wall for them. Nothing is going through to you. Um, your channels have to open. That's a big message that I'm getting, and you have to do it quick, guys. And even if you want to release the person, you need to tell the person quickly. I think you've been mulling over the whole fact that should I tell the person, should I not tell the person, should I communicate? Maybe the person will understand himself or herself. It's not going to happen. You have to talk to the person, guys. Yes, they fell. The cards fell. They didn't want to belong in the reading, and I'm going to pick them up later. Not feeling good. A lot of you not feeling well, feeling very low, not feeling too bright, feeling a little depressed. I want to go on the word depressed. That's what coming to me. I don't want anybody having depression, guys. So stay away from depression. You cannot take that road because depression is not good for you. It's easier said than done. It's easier for me to say it. But yes, if you're feeling depressed, please chant whatever you can. Meditate, relax your mind, clear your mind, communicate with someone. Maybe that's the message Archangel Michael is telling me to give you guys. If anybody who's been depressed, not feeling well, is thinking that there's nobody who's listening to me, I want you to reach out to people, guys. I really want you to reach out to someone. Um, I think that's why Archangel Michael wants to reach out to you. Please call upon him, or you need to reach out to a family member or to a friend. Is a message that I'm getting. I don't know if you were born on 16th of any of the months, but I don't know why, but I think I'm speaking to a number, to a birth date. It's 16. When my tongue starts twisting, there's a lot of messages, guys. There are a lot of messages, and that's what I have to give quick messages. And 16 is coming to me back again. Let me see what number I want to give. I want to give a number to you guys. There's another number that I want to give this person. This message is number one. I also feel you guys were born in January. So this message was specially for you, and that's what I get again and again. Let me see what are the other messages. Any other messages? I'll know when to stop the reading. I have to give one more message. This doesn't belong. This doesn't belong in the reading. Communication. Again, the same card, guys. So you're not communicating. I think that's a big sign. And Archangel Michael wants to say, please communicate with me. I will put you on the right path. You're not communicating with the person. If you're getting confused with what to say, how to handle the situation, how to mend the situation might be very fragile right now. So don't just say anything that comes to your mind. Or, don't be impulsive right now. Be wise, be smart, use the right words, say the right things. You have to call upon Archangel Michael because he communicates very clearly. He will tell you what to say or not to say in the situation is what I get, guys. So whenever you feel there is a bright light around blue, dark blue, navy blue, I'm going to say this: the Archangel Michael is around you, and you will know. You'll get this feeling that he's around you. I want to go back to the energy cards. I feel I have to give you two more messages. This reading needs two more messages. Don't sign a new contract with any person you wanted to. Wait 6 days. I want to say sick. Somebody's sick, or it's going to be a sick situation. SICK. So that's what I wanted to say. Maybe the person is not sick, or maybe the person is not reaching out to you. If you've been wondering, if you had a job offer, that's a message I want to give you guys. If you have a job offer and you haven't got the letter, the person did contact you, did offer you something, and you haven't got the contract, wait. Maybe the person is sick, is not feeling well. The person will reach out to you. Okay, so that was an important message. So yeah, I think you've been worrying sick. Okay, you've been worrying sick about why did the person not reach out, guys. The person is not really well. Time for action. A lot of you, eight number, Archangel Michael number. The card number was 8. So guys, a lot of action. You need to put. There has to be action in your life. A lot of you are sitting still, not putting things into action, not speaking to the other person, not expressing yourselves. Do all that I'm saying, and Archangel Michael is there to help you. So put things into action, guys. Don't be like the black horse, be like the white horse, okay? Put, put things into action. And this is the last message that I want to give you guys. Let's see what it is. Archangel Michael, what message do you want to give? What message do you want to give? I want to see how I want to close the reading. How do I close the reading? How do I close the reading? Guys, this is a blessed reading, and I'm so happy. You can feel my emotions. This is the card that I picked up after shuffling. I didn't look at the cards, I was looking at you guys, and I knew this card will come. And this is so great. I feel really blessed to be here. And yes, I always get guided by Archangel Michael, and I'm so happy. You don't know how happy I am. I am sure you can hear it in my voice. So those were the messages. Those were very important messages, and I'm feeling so great right now. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, for being in the reading and for giving the messages that had to reach out to everybody, and that's happiness for me. Thank you so much, guys. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment. I always read all the comments, and I do like the comments. So that was my reading for you guys, and those were the messages that I really had to give you guys. So I'll be back tomorrow with another reading. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.